Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand. I started my day at 3 Mermaids Café located on Pratumnak Hill between Pattaya and Jomtien Beach. This unique cliffside cafe is famous for its bird's nest seating and breathtaking views overlooking the Gulf of Thailand. Perched above the sea, it's one of the most picturesque spots in Pattaya, offering a perfect blend of tropical scenery, ocean views, and a relaxing atmosphere. From above, the coastline stretches into the distance, creating a truly unforgettable view. After leaving 3 Mermaids Café, I jumped on my motorbike and headed towards Pattaya Viewpoint on Pratumnak Hill. The ride was quiet and relaxing, with tree-lined roads and occasional views of the sea along the way. When I reached the viewpoint, I was greeted by an incredible view across Pattaya Bay. From here, you can see the city skyline, the harbor, and dozens of boats scattered across the water. Nearby, the Helipad Viewpoint offers another great perspective of the coastline and the city below. After spending some time taking in the views, it was time to continue the journey. Later that day, I made my way to Bali Hai Pier and caught the ferry to Koh Larn, also known as Coral Island. Just a short ride from Pattaya, Koh Larn feels like a completely different world. The busy city is replaced by clear blue water, quiet beaches, and beautiful tropical scenery. After arriving on the island, I spent some time exploring and taking in the views. From above, the coastline looks even more impressive, with hidden bays, white sandy beaches, and the turquoise waters of the Gulf of Thailand stretching into the distance. It was the perfect way to end the day, enjoying the peaceful atmosphere and some of the most beautiful scenery near Pattaya. For more travel adventures and drone footage, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.